Dear students and my teacher friends, Namaskar. I welcome you to the presentation lecture on statistical analysis of the dihybrid cross problem. So today in this lecture, we are doing one analysis of dihybrid cross problem. So first I am showing you the problem and I am also showing you the multiple choice question. So first you see the problem, okay? So on your screen you can see the problem is given. Okay, see, a cross was made between a plant that has blue flower and purple seed. So this is one parent. Okay, one parent plant is producing blue flower and purple seed, and we are making a cross with another parent plant. Another parent plant is producing white flower and green seed. Okay, then by this cross, by this parental cross, F1 plants produce, and then we are allowing the F1 F1 cross. So we are getting the F2 generation plant. Okay, so see, when you look at the F1 generation, so all offspring have blue flower with purple seed. That means we can say that the blue flower phenotype is dominant over white flower. And second thing, what we have observed, that the all the seeds are purple seed in F1. That means purple seed are a dominant phenotype on the green seed. Okay, so from the F1 we can make out the dominant character or the trait or the dominant phenotype we are finding out. Now let's look at the F2 data. So in the F2, 208 blue flower purple seed, 13 blue flower green seed, 19 white flower purple seed, and 60 white flower green seed, and total number of plant is 300. Okay, so this is the problem. Now now the F2 generation data you are going to compare. Okay, now you are going to compare with which phenotypic ratio. I mean monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, trihybrid cross, or with the test cross. But see, when we look into the F2 ratio, we can find that the two character and two gene, the inheritance of two character and two gene we are studying. That means the problem uh, is having a nature of dihybrid cross. Okay, so to solve and this MCQs are given. Now the first step to solve this problem is to make a hypothesis. Okay, first you are making the hypothesis. Second step, you are going to calculate the expected number of each phenotype, okay, according to dihybrid cross. Then in the third step you are going to use the chi-square formula. Then from the phenotypic class you are going to find the degrees of freedom value, DF value you are going to find. And once you are ready with the chi-square value and the DF value, now you are going to find out the p values, probability value you are going to find out. And for that the table will be given in your examination in the question paper in the printed form. So I am also showing you the table. Okay, so this is the table which will be given you, which will be printed, which will be provided you in your question paper in the printed form along with the problem. Okay, so once you are ready with the chi-square value and the DF value, you will find the p value, and then you will make your analysis regarding your hypothesis. Okay, so let's return to the MCQs. See now what they are asking to you. See, you have to find out chi-square value. Okay, in the first question. Second, you have to find out the degree of freedom, DF value. And in third question, what does chi-square value mean with regard to your hypothesis? First option, you would stick to your hypothesis. Second, by looking at the chi-square value, you are going to reject your hypothesis. Third, hypothesis is not applicable to this experimental clause. Okay, so you will not apply hypothesis to this experimental clause. And in the final option, none above. Okay, so all the options are incorrect. So you have to choose the correct option as in the form of your answer. So I have shown you the problem. I have shown you the method or the step by which we are solving this problem. Right now I am delivering this lecture, okay, and this lecture is available on my Android app. One more thing, in which genetic book this information is given, all the problem and the solution. So if you are interested in knowing the name of the book, so the information regarding the book, I will post that information in the members group. Okay, my name is Manish Koshti sir. I am from Ahmedabad, India. Bye bye.